Whether it's while watching the latest series of MasterChef or playing a wine-themed game, there are often times when you wish you could smell through your screen. Now you can, thanks to a new device that sends aromas up your nose while you play video games in virtual reality. Created by researchers in Sweden. The Nosewise handheld olfactometer, NHO, can be fitted to the hand controller of the HTC Vive. It contains liquid scents that are directed to the nostrils at various times during a game while wearing a virtual reality (VR) mask. The system links physical smells to a synthetic VR environment, and brings the concept of smell-o-vision to the 21st century. Smell-o-vision was a system created by Swiss professor Hans Lauber in 1960 to release scents to an audience while watching a film. Smell-o-vision was a system created in 1960 by Hans Lauber and was used in cinemas during the film Scent of Mystery. The system was fitted to cinema seats and released 30 smells at different points during the film, triggered by the film's soundtrack. Smells included pipe tobacco, gunpowder, gasoline, flowers, wood shavings and foods including peaches, wine and coffee. NHO was created by psychologists at Stockholm University and detailed in a paper published in International Journal of Human Computer Studies. Researchers also created a wine-tasting game in virtual reality called Nosewise that lets players guess aromas in a virtual wine cellar. In the game, users can pick up a wine glass to sniff the contents in the virtual world, while in the real world they're simply holding the specially adapted HTC Vive. We have utilized the opening in the HTC Vive hand controller as a channel to output scent at the hand, linking physical smells to a synthetic VR environment, the authors say. It allows users to manipulate virtual objects in a VR environment and sniff them, much as one would bring a peach or a glass of wine to one's nose in the world. A user study in a virtual wine cellar game demonstrates that the device is intuitive to use and stable enough for long-term smell training sessions. According to the experts, a potentially important application of this technology might be to help people recover their sense of smell following virus infections that damage the olfactory system, such as COVID-19. NHO, which contains elements that can be 3D printed, consists of 4 chambers containing liquid scents absorbed into a sponge-like material. A single fan underneath the chambers generates airflow to deliver these scents up and out the device and towards the nose. The chambers are each sealed by valves at the top and bottom, which allows for blending of 2 or more scents.